Alright, so I took a different approach to generating a planet. This time I used displace inside the viewport, and then I'm using the distance from a lamp in order to do shading. And so here's the raw kind of, here's water, here's height, and then this is where sandy areas will be, and then a little bit further in, and we can duplicate this. So like here would be the rocky area just inside from the sand, or that would be this one. So sand, rocky area just inside from sand, grass, and we could like start mixing in mountains there. And then we can use a flat out greater than and make a snow line. But yeah, basically we can carve out sections of height and then use that to set textures. So we'll go ahead, take this thing, and add a second UV layer. Do unwrap, sphere projection. Oops. Yeah, whatever, doesn't matter because we're not using that height map anymore, so whatever. So, because I'm lazy, I'm going to add the texture node from cycles because it's easy to just go open, downloads, grass. So we have a grass texture here. I'll go to cycles again and add a UV layer. Pop that over to it. Go back to UPVGE. And then send this to an output node so we can see what it looks like. So there it is. So we're going to have to change the scale a little bit here. So there's our grass texture. So we're going to need a base texture. We'll use rock as the base texture. So now we have a rock planet, and you can see the tiling quite a bit. So one thing we could do is mix the grass in over the rock real quick. So we do add, converter, color, mix RGB, and then we use the grass band, which was this one right here, as the mix amount. And the texture mix in is the grass. So there we go, now we have rocks and grass. And then do another one. We'll get sand real quick. Grab the same mapping and then do mix. should probably do this the other way around, because I think, whoa, I duplicated a lot of outputs. So there's the grass mix in, and then this one we'll do sand. Sand mix factor here. There we go. Now we have a ring of sand, stone at the deepest part, and then grass. But as you can see, we can use this to mix textures in, and then I can also use vertex color later to either add noise to it or to make it so that I have multiple versions of each texture, or so it's more controllable. But yeah, that's what I'm tinkering with.